In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a Wix site to your client. If you've completed a site on Wix, and now it's time to hand over the ownership to your client, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth transfer. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Home Dashboard. This is the management hub for your site, and it's where you'll initiate the transfer process. Once you're there, look for the Site Actions button. It's your gateway to handling a variety of tasks related to your site. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options. Among these options, you'll see Transfer Site. This is the feature we'll use to pass the ownership to your client. Click on Transfer Site, and the next step will prompt you to enter your client's email address. This is an important step, so make sure you have the correct email ready. You'll be typing it into the designated field. Ensure that the email address is accurate to avoid any transfer issues. After entering the email, you'll see a list of users who match the email you provided. Click on the client who should receive the site. This action confirms that you're ready to transfer the ownership to them. Once you've selected your client, you'll need to press Continue. This is the first of 2 times you'll click a Continue button, so don't worry, we're nearly there. Pressing this ensures that all the necessary details have been verified and you're ready to proceed. Now, you'll come across another Continue button. This step asks for final confirmation to ensure you've reviewed the recipient's details and you're ready to move forward with the transfer. Finally, you'll see the Transfer Ownership button. By clicking this, you're officially sending the site to your client's account, concluding the process. It's a simple click, but it signifies the handover of complete site control to your client. Remember, once you've transferred ownership, you'll no longer have access to manage the settings, pricing plans, or any modifications unless your client grants you permissions. Ensure all your work is backed up before you transfer, just to be on the safe side. And there you go. Delivering a Wix site to your client is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you hand over all the reins to your client, allowing them to take charge of their new site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your online presence with ease. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your web design projects.